Hey everyone, welcome to our video. In today's video, we're going to focus on one of the key components of your Electrolux vacuum cleaner, the filter. By properly cleaning and maintaining your filter, you'll ensure that your vacuum operates at its best. So, let's dive into our complete maintenance guide for Electrolux vacuum cleaner filters. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we begin, always remember to turn off and unplug your Electrolux vacuum cleaner before performing any maintenance tasks. Safety first. Now, let's get started with step-by-step instructions on how to clean your vacuum cleaner filter. Locating the filter. The filter in your Electrolux vacuum cleaner is responsible for capturing dust, allergens, and debris. The location of the filter may vary depending on the model. Refer to your user manual or the Electrolux website to find the exact location of the filter in your specific vacuum model. Removing the filter. To clean the filter, you'll need to remove it from the vacuum cleaner. Open the dust canister or remove the dust bag according to your vacuum's design. Once accessed, carefully locate and detach the filter. Take note of how the filter is positioned to ensure correct reinstallation later. Cleaning the filter. Now that you have the filter in your hands, it's time to give it a thorough cleaning. If your Electrolux vacuum has a washable filter, rinse it under running water. Use your fingers to gently dislodge any trapped dirt or debris. For non-washable filters, use a soft brush or tap it gently against a hard surface to remove the accumulated dust. Repeat this process until the filter looks clean. Drying the filter. After cleaning, it's crucial to let the filter dry completely before reinstallation. If you've washed a washable filter, give it a gentle squeeze to remove excess water, and then set it aside in a well-ventilated area. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.